What's up guys, the Ronin S finally has the active tracking feature that only the Ronin-SC had. Now you can track anything with the Ronin S, but the only downside of it, which is not really a downside because the Ronin S is capable of balancing heavy things, is you have to put your phone on top of the Ronin S before you balance your own gimbal. Alright, to get started using the active track feature, make sure to update the app and your firmware first. Then go to the Ronin S app on your mobile device, turn your Bluetooth on, and connect it to your Ronin S. If you're new, you may need to sign in. Make sure to auto-tune your DJI Ronin S before you do anything. After that's done, go to Create, click on Active Track Pro, then slide your finger on the person you want to track. And you're done. The Ronin S should be tracking your selected person. Only problem with the active tracking feature and a lot of tracking features is if two faces collide, it might track the other face and it might not. It's kind of random, but it's cool now. The Ronin S finally has the active tracking feature. Now you can get cool tracking footage without you actually having to be there. This is definitely a helpful tool, especially with people who can only physically balance their camera on the gimbal. But now that we have the tracking feature, we have more features for the Ronin S. So thank you DJI for adding this active tracking feature to the Ronin S and not just making it exclusive to the Ronin-SC. So I'm out.